Polono D810 Portable Thermal Printer. 1. Power button. 2. USB interface/power interface. 3. Paper entry. 4. Paper size switch. 5. Open key for lower cover. Press power button. Put the paper smoothly into the paper inlet. Note the two ends of the paper need to be on the same straight line to ensure that the printing is not offset. The side of the paper with black markings faces downwards. Download Labelnize app from Google Play, App Store, or scan the QR code. Open Bluetooth and app. 1. Choose D810. 2. Click Unconnected to connect the printer. Select paper according to your paper size. Choose the file you need to print.